Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time. It's time for the lightning. What's that about? And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Ski dash over the lightning round. It's over. Brad in Florida. Brad.
Hey, Mr. Cramer. How you doing, sir?
Couldn't have a better day. What's going on with you, Brad?
Not much. Just had a question on Activision. Is it a buy here?
I think it is. People are so busy thinking that it's a stay-at-home play, and when things open up, people won't use that. Give me a break. Activision Blizzard is a good company, and I'm a buyer. I need to go to Roddy in Texas. Roddy.
Hey, Jim. Thanks for all that you do for us.
Appreciate it, man.
I need to know your opinion on Coty.
I think Coty's making a comeback. I actually like the perfume carrier, but if I'm going to recommend Coty, it would be doing a disservice to Estee Lauder and Fabrizio Freda. I suggest you buy EL. Let's go to Damien in Nevada. Damien!
Yes, thank you, Jim, for taking my call. I really appreciate all your words of wisdom.
Well, maybe I get to meet you when the Eagles play out there. What's going on?
My question to you is on DraftKings. May 7th, their earnings report is coming out. Is this stock a buy, hold, or sell?
Well, I think it's a very strong franchise. I don't know if play the earnings because I don't know how much gambling's been done in this transition quarter where I thought there'd be more March Madness. I think there will be a lot of NBA playoff gambling, so I don't want to lose the train of thought there. I need to go to John in New York. John.
Yes, Jim. How are you?
I'm good, John. How about you?
Okay, just fine. We're looking about the stock called Futu Holding Limited.
No, keep looking, man. This is Chinese. We don't recommend. We recommend Alibaba on the show, and we can deal with JD and Baidu. Any more than that, we're going to start running a situation where I don't trust the PRC. I know the PRC. No one wants to talk about the PRC. And I had tremendous sales in the PRC, just so you know. And I'm going to go there one day and do a book reading, if they let me. But we're not going to recommend that stock. Let's go to Mark in California. Mark.
Hi, Jim. How are you?
I'm good. How about you, Mark?
Pretty good. Hey, I was calling on the stock Advanced Auto Parts.
I have liked Advanced Auto Parts for literally 100 points. And I got to tell you, I'm not backing away from it now. No, not here. No way. I think Advanced Auto Parts is an excellent stock. How about we go to BL in California? BL.
Hi, Jim. Thanks for sharing your knowledge and expertise with me. I really appreciate it.
You're very kind. Go into Twitter and say that because there's the Love Canal needs a little sprinkles. Go ahead.
Now it's my question. As a backdrop, my money is held in an IRA. Okay. I bought Rocket Companies, RKT, at $35, which was too high in retrospect, and the stock currently is in the low 20s.
Right.
I'm down around $12,000, unfortunately.
Well, look, I think that Dan Gilbert, I think these guys are very, very good at what they do. A lot of people feel that the housing boom is over. I think that's ridiculous. Jay Farner's the CEO. I think he's really good at his job, and I want you to buy a little more, get that basis better. Let's go to Tom in New York. Tom.
Hello, Jim.
Holy cow.
Hello.
Holy cow, you're a scary fella.
With an earnings beat and an EPS beat with good guidance. However, the stock drops. What is your take on Enphase Energy?
Well, Enphase Energy is one of the greatest performing stocks for the last 5 years. The problem here is that it's become one of those high multiple casualties where people say, forget about it. I am a believer in Enphase Energy. I'm okay with starting a half a position here and then waiting, simply because it does have a lot of bad money in it. Let's take, Ethan from California. Ethan.
Booyah, Jim. Been watching you since my bar mitzvah. Thank you for all that you do.
Well, that's
You had this company on a few weeks back, and it hasn't done much since then. What are your thoughts on XL Fleet Corp?
I wouldn't pick XL for the stock draft tomorrow. Here's the problem. XL, the short report about it was difficult, and I'd like to have XL back to answer the short report. Otherwise, I can't recommend it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round!
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.